Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert normal video to 4K quality video in Capcut. So all you have to do right now is open your Capcut. This is a mobile version. So please open one of the projects that you want to edit. So all you have to do right now is just tap this effect and then video effects here and try to use the lens. And then if you join Pro, you can use this Smart Sharpen here. But if not, you can try another this one, Sharpen Edges. Here, you can adjust. So you can scroll up, you can slide to the most sharpen here. So you can adjust the size. Here, try to reduce or range is up to you. Also the filter. Here it's up to you, but try to sharpen, increase the sharpen and increase the size. After that it's done, you can tap this and then you can tap on a blank space and then try to adjust. Here you can tap adjust and use the brightness here, increase the brightness or just a bit, and then contrast, saturation if you want to, but this is the most important. Again, sharpen, try to sharpen again here, not too much but try in the middle. Done. And after that you can export your video, use this 2K or 4K, restore your video to ultra high definition but use more memory. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.